In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking a bank account. If you want to transfer money to another PayPal user directly from your PayPal balance, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. The important thing to know is that you do not need to connect a bank account just to send money from one PayPal account to another, as long as your PayPal account already has an available balance or another usable funding option inside the account. To begin, open PayPal and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the section called Send and Request. This is the area where PayPal lets you send money to other people, request payments, and manage person-to-person transfers. Go ahead and tap or click on Send and Request to continue. After that, move to the Send tab. In this section, PayPal will ask who you want to send money to. Here, enter the email address, name, or phone number connected to the PayPal account you want to send money to. Make sure you type the details carefully so the payment goes to the correct person. If more than one result appears, take a second to verify you are choosing the right account before moving forward. Once you find the correct recipient, select their profile. PayPal will then take you to the payment screen where you can enter the amount you want to send. Type in the amount carefully and double-check it before confirming. This is a good habit anytime you send money online, especially if you are sending to someone for the first time. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment. After you do that, the money will be sent from your PayPal account to the other PayPal account, and that's it. The transfer is usually very quick, and in many cases the recipient can see it almost immediately. One helpful tip is to always review the payment details one last time before you finalize anything, including the recipient and the amount. That small check can help you avoid sending money to the wrong person or entering the wrong value. And that's all there is to it. As long as you have access to your PayPal account and the recipient's PayPal information, sending money from PayPal to PayPal without linking a bank account is a fast and straightforward process.